What's going on, guys? So in front of me I have four Bose S1 Pros. This goes to show you how much I love these little speakers. So today we are going to be doing a sound test demo to let you hear how four of those would sound together, or if you need just 1, 2, 3, or 4. Honestly, if you're just using this indoor or in a backyard with a little party, one is more than good enough, especially if you want to sing karaoke with it. One sounds amazing already, but I love these speakers so much, so I bring them with me everywhere I go. Small parties, big parties, wherever I go, I bring them along with me. Now, if you want to check these out for the best prices, I do have a link to where I got these in the description box down below. So click that link and check it out, guys. And if you want to see a full video review for them individually, I also have already done that. Link will also be in the description box as well. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I pretty much have the EQ for all four S1 at the exact same point. And what I did was I used a 1/4-inch cable to output this speaker to the second one, and then output from this one, input to this one, and then from this one to this one, connecting all four together. And then I connect the Bluetooth to this first speaker only. That way, when I play the music, all four will be played at the same time. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with only one speaker at a time, which means I'm going to turn the volume for these three totally off. That way you can hear only one speaker. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the second speaker. That way you hear what two speakers sound like. And then I'm going to do 3 speakers. And then lastly, I'm going to turn on all 4 speakers. That way you have a better idea of how many Bose S1 you need to get for your house or for your parties. Now, depending on how many speakers you are going to be getting, it makes sense for you to spread them out in your environment depending on your need. With 4 of them, I can pretty much bring this outdoor and have a pretty big party, or even if I'm indoor at a gymnasium or something like that, I can throw down a pretty big party with these 4 alone right here. But for the purpose of this video, what we're going to do is just set them up like this and let you listen to all 4 of them. And then next, I'm going to stack all 4 of them up together, let you listen to it that way. And then I'm going to also be connecting a microphone to it to sing some karaoke to show you how good it sounds when you are using this for karaokeing. And lastly, I'm going to show you how I set these up in my house as well to use it daily. All right, guys, and again, for copyrighted purposes, I can only play non-copyrighted songs. So it's going to be Faded by Alan Walker. So here goes, guys. We are going to start with one S1, which is this one right here. So now I have the microphone connected to all 4 speakers. Let's go ahead, turn it on, and show you how good the vocal actually sounds. Testing, testing. This is a microphone vocal test to show you how amazing the vocal sounds on the Bose S1 Pro. It sounds amazing because the S1 Pro has the Bose tone match built into 2 channels on the Bose S1 Pro. So when it comes to vocal and singing karaoke or live band, sounds amazing. All right, next I'm gonna turn on the music and then I'm gonna sing along with it. So here goes, guys. Alrighty guys, so this is how I have it set up in my house. I have one right there, the second, the third on the floor, and the 4th right over here. So first I'm gonna let you listen to how 2 of them sound, this one and this one. So the 2 on top, and then after that, I'm gonna turn on the 2 at the bottom as well to show you how all 4 sound. So right now, here's how 2 on top sounds like. Here goes, guys. So personally, guys, I think it sounds amazing. These speakers are some of the best PA portable speaker out there on the market right now. Now, if you still think that's not enough bass for you, you can always add another sub onto it. You can always add an F1 into it and it'll probably blow up the entire party or the entire house or whatever venue you are at. So with all that being said, guys, I'm absolutely in love with these 4 speakers. If you are considering about getting 1 or 2, 3 or 4 of these, I highly recommend them. Again, links to them will be in the description box down below. Click it, check it out, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.